Hi, I'm Bill Kuklinski with the Home Premier team, and this is your August market update. The current state of the housing market continues to be challenging for prospective sellers and buyers. The summer home buying season has been significantly affected by a combination of factors, including higher mortgage rates, increased sales prices, and a shortage of housing inventory. The average fixed rate for 30-year mortgages have consistently stayed above 6.5% since May, even reaching a peak not seen in the past 20 years this past August, as reported by Freddie Mac. Let's take a look at the local numbers. There was a 16.6% decrease in closed sales, dropping to 644 listings from 772. The inventory also saw a decline of 34.8%, with 588 homes available in August compared to 902 the previous year. Due to the ongoing shortage of inventory, the average sale price experienced a slight increase of 3.6%, rising to $370,562 from $357,755. New listings also fell by 12.1%, going down to 703 homes from 800. Pending sales decreased by 10.7%, with 649 sales compared to 727 from the same period last year. The month supply of inventory also reduced by 15.4%, now standing at 1.1 months compared to 1.3. The average days on the market for home sales remain consistent with last year's figure, with homes selling on average in 15 days. The National Association of Realtors reports a steady decline in nationwide existing home sales, with a 2.2% drop from the previous month and a substantial 16.6% decrease compared to the same period last year. If you enjoyed our content, please show some support by giving us a like. Want to stay updated with our latest videos? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.